Mister must be eating. Don't fuck around, bitch. You're gonna get fucked up, son. Man. Snap. Snap. You just got knocked the fuck out. Monty is hungry. Oh, squeeze the juice.
Oh, that's terrible. Tell me his tail stops shaking.
Oh, that's bad. It's dying right now.
It's trying to get free. At least it's natural.
In a bathtub.
Hear it like snap.
That's it.
Resting in peace. Oh, no. Still twitching.
Last nerve.
My nerves are shot.